Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here, fill in the blanks. If sec theta equal to 20 by 16, then the value of sin theta minus cos theta by 1 minus sec theta is. So let's first try to visualize this. We have this triangle. Let's name it ABC, and we are given, we'll consider B is an is 90-degree angle. Let's consider this angle as theta. So we are given sec theta equal to 20 by 16. So sec theta is hypotenuse upon adjacent. So this is 20x, this is 16x. We need to take x as a factor in the measurement of length because trigonometric ratios are just ratios, not actual lengths. Therefore, from diagram, using Pythagoras theorem, we can say AB square equal to AC square minus BC square. So AC square is 20x square minus BC square is 16x square. So 20x plus 16x multiplied by 20x minus 16x, using a square minus b square equal to a plus b, a minus b. I have moved the diagram, a minus b. Yes, so that is 20 plus 16 is 36x multiplied by 20 minus 16 is 4x. So this is nothing but 36 multiplied by 4x square, ab square. So if we take square root, we get both positive and negative. Square roots of 6 multiplied by 2x. But since this is measure of length, we'll discard negative value. So we have positive 12x units. So we get AB as 12x. Now, using trigonometric ratios, we know sin theta is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse, which is 12x upon 20x, which is equal to 12 by 20. Cos theta equal to adjacent upon hypotenuse, which is 16x upon 20, which is equal to x, which is 16 by 20, and sec theta is given 20x by 16x, which is equal to 20 by 16. Now we'll simply put the values in given expression. We have to find the value of expression sin theta minus cos theta divided by 1 minus sec theta. So we have sin theta as 12 by 20 minus cos theta 16 by 20 whole divided by 1 minus 20 by 16. So we get that equal to 16 minus, in the denominator we'll take LCM here. 16 minus 20 is minus 4. So we get 16 by 20. No. 12 by 20 minus 16 by 20 divided by minus 4 by 16. So we get this equal to 12 by 20 minus, let's cancel this out, 4 ones are 4 fours are, so we have minus 1 by 4 in the denominator. So denominator of denominator goes into numerator, and we get 16 multiplied by 4 as minus 64 by 20. Minus 64 by 20. Now minus of minus is plus, so we get this equal to 12 plus 64 whole divided by 20, which is equal to 76 divided by 20. And we can simplify this. We have 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are can be divided by 4. So 4 1s are 4, 4 9s are 36 divided by 5. So answer is 19 by 5.